Okay, we're going to visit the Comunidad Indichuris, which is a community-based tourism project out here in the Amazon. Should be pretty fun, and of course it's really great to support a local indigenous community.
No.
That's where it is. All right, now we're at an indigenous community called Indichuris, which is about 15 kilometers from Puyo. We're gonna see what they offer. Nelly wants to get a limpieza from a shaman, or a cleaning. This should be fun. Ali is super excited because she found a monkey here.
Look at that monkey.
He's
So
so
cute.
cute. Oh, look at that. So cute. Okay, Nelly is getting a limpieza, or a cleaning from the shaman, so let's see.
Este mes ha sido un mes de cuencanos. Sí, ahí está, pero no me suena.
Le vi en folleto la publicidad de la comunidad de Indichuris, entonces realmente quería conocer.
Gabriel, come over here.
Mommy, he's trying to attract the female. Look. Hey, look. He's trying to attract the female.
Yeah, Ali.
Only males can do that. And they attract the females. Look at them.
Los niños están emocionadísimos por ver
Que se
los
sirvan unos maduritos, díganle a los niños.
monitos. Oh, muchas gracias.
Coman niños los
Sí.
choritos.
Yes. Para la gente turista.
Monkey.
Está servido el pastorita.
¿Cómo se llama el monito, señor?
Ese se llama mono payaso.
Mono payaso.
Es como una mano su pata.
Sí, es como una
Interior.
mano. Ajá. Jason,
Cuidado.
para conocer el lugar tiene animalitos del Señor. Podemos. Bueno, es un buen. Hay que ver los lagartos cocodrilos. Vamos a ver las tortugas entonces ahorita.
Ese mono era bien bonito, lo siento. Ay, es lindísimo.
I'm so
Get him in my arms.
I'm so happy I came here.
¿Qué pasa si hay otros monos
para
por
acá?
acá? Ay, ¿hay otros monos, no?
Uy,
Están jugando.
We made friends, and now he's hanging out with me. Seriously.
He likes you.
He gets mad when I put him off. I swear he gets mad.
Yeah, I see that.
I hope he
see
doesn't
that.
pee on me, or at least doesn't pee on me too much. The man who lives here, who is showing us around, he's a shaman. His name is Jorge. He helped Nelly with a limpieza, or a cleaning, and Nelly is a huge believer in the power of spiritual healing and indigenous healing methods, and so she was really happy to have that opportunity. She has done cleanings before in Cuenca, but to be able to do it here is really quite an experience.
Daddy,
Yeah, Gabriel.
we're going to the turtles.
Oh, we're gonna go see some turtles right now, and if you guys look around, it's just absolutely beautiful here.
Oh man.
I'm not sure, Gabrielle, but I think the monkey just peed on me. It's a little wet and warm. Okay, you guys, where are we going now? Gonna go see the turtles? Okay. Los caimanes, ¿qué nomás come?
Los caimanes comen así desperdicio de ganado, menudencia de ganado. Le
Ah.
damos pollos, le damos cuyes.
Cuyes.
¿Sí?
He only stepped on me.
Pero todo lo que es carne,
Sí, todo solo carne comen.
solo carne.
Those son for me.
Y no es peligroso para la gente, no ha habido ataques.
No.
Otro mono, pero está en el brazo. Que papá atrás.
¿Los caimanes avanzan a coger los pescados?
Sí, claro.
Ah.
Sí.
Usted está alimentando los peces
Yes.
para que vienen los caimanes. Ah, ya.
Claro.